how to turn off parent pin on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off parent pin on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and now click these 3 points here in the bottom corner and go down, click settings here and then click parental controls, and here just go down and you will find this one, parent pin, and all you need to do is just click here on a parent pin and now type parent pin and click unlock, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.